Welcome to Good Tech World, the channel dedicated to showcasing the latest and greatest in technology that's being used for the greater good. Our goal is to explore the positive impact of technology on the world around us and to showcase the innovative solutions that are making a difference. Whether it's using artificial intelligence to improve healthcare or creating sustainable energy solutions to combat climate change, technology has the power to change the world for the better. At Good Tech World, we're committed to bringing you the latest insights and perspectives from experts in the field. Our videos feature technology presentations, in-depth interviews with leaders in the tech industry, and practical applications of tech for social good. And speaking of the latest and greatest, let's take a look at some of the exciting new technologies that we'll be covering on our channel. Drones are revolutionizing industries like agriculture, search and rescue, and even entertainment. We'll be showcasing some of the most innovative drone technologies and exploring their potential for good. Virtual and augmented reality are changing the way we experience the world. From immersive gaming to medical training, we'll be exploring the possibilities of these cutting-edge technologies. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries from healthcare to transportation to finance. We'll be showcasing some of the most innovative AI technologies and exploring their potential for good. Blockchain is more than just a buzzword. It has the potential to transform industries like finance, healthcare, and supply chain management. We'll be taking a closer look at how blockchain is being used to drive positive change. Finally, we'll be exploring the latest breakthroughs in clean energy, from solar and wind power to innovative new technologies like fusion reactors. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications so you never miss a new video. Follow us on our social media handles to stay up to date on the latest in technology for good. There's never been a more exciting time to be interested in technology for good. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to sharing the latest insights and perspectives with you on Good Tech World.